determine if the following improper integral converges or diverges. If it converges, determine its value. So we got a fraction 1 over square root of x minus 1. Because of 1 minus 1 is 0, and 1 over 0 is undefined, we have an improper integral. Okay, 4 is not a problem, 1 is the problem. So we have this fraction on 1 through 4. So here, so we can change this in terms of the following limit. Let me put a through 4, 1 over root x minus 1 dx, and this a should be going to 1 because I'm just replacing 1 by a, and later we let a go to 1, but it should go from right side, okay, because we are looking on 1 through 4 a plus. Let's evaluate this limit, this integral, then we take this limit. So limit a going to 1 from right side. So how do we integrate this? 1 over square root of x minus 1. So this is x minus 1 raised to 1/2. Okay, so let me just consider the integral without anything. Okay, let's consider just this integral 1 over x minus 1 dx. Okay, and then I'll come back here. This one, x minus 1, we need to use u substitution. So u is x minus 1. That means du over dx is 1 dx, or dx is du. Then this one is 1 over root u, and dx, 1 dx is du, so dx is just du. Now we can easily integrate this. U raised to 1/2, move up, so u raised to negative 1/2 du. By the power rule, u raised to negative 1/2 plus 1, that's positive 1/2 divided by positive 1/2. Okay, and plus c we don't need because we are working on a lot of other things here, and u is in fact x minus 1. So this is 1/2 is 2, 1/2 means square root of u. U is x minus 1. So from here, now I have the following: limit a going to 1 from right side, and this integral becomes just the limit for now, a through 4, and we found this antiderivative which is 2 root u. 2 root u, u is x minus 1. Okay, so the antiderivative of this is 2 square root of x minus 1. These limits are now here, and we need to take the limit. So this one is limit a going to 1 from right side. Let's plug in x equals 4 and x equals 1. So upper limit is 2 root 4 minus 1, 3. So 2 root 3, that's the upper limit, minus, now replace x by a, 2 root a minus 1. Okay, now we take this limit, replace a by 1. This plus is just for the direction, so we don't have to worry about this. So 2 root 3 minus 2, a is 1, 1 minus 1, 0, 2 times 0. 2 times 0 is just 0. So this is 2 root 3. So that means this integral converges, and converges to 2/3 because the value of that integral is 2/3. So the integral converges to this number, 2 root 3.